Hey guys, this is Erin Williams with RoofConnect. The weather is cooling off and winter is right around the corner. We want to make sure that your roof is ready for the winter weather. We've put together a couple of tips to make sure your roof is ready. The first step to fall maintenance is to get an inspection. While you may not see any obvious signs of damage to your commercial roof and assume it doesn't need to be inspected, an untrained eye may miss many things. The intense summer heat can be hard on your roof, especially in the southern states. It's best to have an experienced roofer inspect it as the seasons turn. They'll be able to find any damage or potential issues the cold weather could escalate. Then they can advise you on your next steps to keep your commercial roof protecting your business. Next, let's turn it over to Jamie for step number 2.
Thanks, Erin. Hey guys, it's Jamie. I've got your second tip for fall maintenance. Make repairs. If your roofer does find damage, it's best not to delay the repairs. The longer you wait, the more likely the damage can get worse, which costs even more money to fix. Not to mention, if you wait too long and winter arrives, your roof will have to wait until the spring to have repairs done. Snow, water, ice, and winds will damage your roof even further, which could cause you to have your roof replaced. Now I'm going to send this off to Wendy and she'll give you your third tip.
Thanks, Jamie. Hey guys, this is Wendy. I've got your third tip for fall roof maintenance. As we get into fall, those beautiful orange, yellow, and red leaves may be wonderful to look at, but once they fall on your roof, they can become a nightmare. Leaves and pine needles can clog your gutters and drains, and if not addressed, lead to serious problems. When drains and gutters are clogged, water is not able to properly drain, causing it to pond on the roof, and even create ice dams in severe cold temperatures. Having ponding water on your roof for extended periods of time is unhealthy for the membrane. It causes deterioration, resulting in leaks, or in extreme cases, more severe damage and possible roof collapse. If you need help getting your roof winter ready, give RoofConnect a call at 877-942-5613.